Morning all, hope you're doing well. This is my first video in Wales in over a year. Shocking, because I live here. Then the last video I did in Wales was when I climbed up a Wyddfa. That was a little over a year ago, and it's shocking that I haven't done any more Welsh-based videos since. So seeing as I'm moving to Scotland in over a year's time, I need to crack on with some more Welsh videos for you. But in the meantime, in today's video, we're going on the train. So a lot has happened since the last video. See that black car? That's mine. Got a new car, the insignia's gone, very sad about that. So I've got a Kia now, which is really good so far. I'm loving it. But I've decided not to get a van just yet. I'm going to save up for my move to Scotland. And then once I do, I'll get a van then. I've had many nice comments about my West Highland Line video. It's arguably the most popular one I've done so far, so I thought, why not do a Welsh version? Today I'm taking the train from Pwllheli to Shrewsbury. It goes all the way to Birmingham, but I'm just going to Shrewsbury. Spend a couple of hours there and then come back on the same day. I've heard this is actually one of the nicest train journeys in Wales. Let me know if in the comments if there's a nicer journey. So I'm going to try this one out. I've always wanted to do this for a while, so yeah, I think let's go find a coffee. I'm not sure if there's a snack car on board, and let's find a bakery. I'm a bit hungry. Got Wetherspoons there. I could have a full English, but my train leaves in 25 minutes, so no time for that. Ah, brilliant. I just bumped into a mate. It's good to see him, and he told me there is a bakery just down here. Supplies and coffee acquired. I didn't go to the bakery, they were selling pies, and if it was in the middle of the day, I probably would have cleaned out their counters. Oh, I believe that is my train. Leaves in about 10 minutes, so I might as well go get comfy. So until we get to Machynlleth, I'll be sitting on the right hand side of the train. That's where the best view is. That's the coastal view, but after Machynlleth I don't know where the best view is going to be, so I have a feeling I'm going to be darting from side to side trying to get the best footage for you. Oh, that's typical. There's a cafe at the station. I could have got something here. Oh, next time. Oh, finally made it to Shrewsbury, less than 4 hours later. But to be honest with you, that felt like 2. It's a really good journey that was. Got a bit busy when I got to Newtown, and I got a bit rowdy, but I had my headphones in, so I didn't capture much footage after there. But I'll try and do my best to capture something on the way back. Right, I've got more than 2 hours in Shrewsbury. Let's have a look around. I have been here more than 15 years. I've seen so many local bands here. The Hollow Earth Theory, Archive, Opus Nex. And I think I actually played here once with one of my previous bands. Nothing's changed. It still looks awesome. Cheers. Only been on the high street 2 minutes. I've been accosted by clipboard warriors. Can't win. Got an hour left before the train, and it's proven that 2 hours in Shrewsbury is definitely not enough. I think next time I'll bring the car over and come here for a full day, maybe even spend the night here. But there's one thing that begs a question. How is Shrewsbury not a city? I think it should be. Absolutely gorgeous place this is. There's one question I do have, because seeing as this is a cathedral, how is Shrewsbury not a city? It should be a city.
It's a Catholic cathedral.
Oh, is it?
If it was, yes, if it were an Anglican cathedral, it would be a city.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
And it's not, so therefore.
Fair enough. I'm not very clued up on all this, but
I think because the Church of England is the established church.
Oh, fair enough.
It's one of those old rules that still sort of still.
It should be a city though, because it has a city feel to it, doesn't it?
Of course.
I keep saying I must look it up on the. Because we do get asked often.
We do,
yeah.
we do, yes we do.
Yeah.
It should be. It's a gorgeous place.
Next time you come.
But that is, I think that is the answer. I think
that's
so.
it.
And Shrewsbury Town football.
Well, that's it.
They don't.
Shrewsbury Town,
be a city.
Yes, of course.
Well, that's it. They'd have to change it to Shrewsbury City then.
City. Yeah, it doesn't quite.
It doesn't quite, no.
It doesn't quite have the ring, does it? No, but it's. I take your point. There's towns that are, there's cities that are same size and smaller than this, and they are cities.
Well, that's it. Because St Asaph isn't far from me.
It's true.
Yeah, that's essentially a village, and it's a city, isn't it?
Of course, yeah.
And that's the third smallest city in the UK.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, I think the next time the King comes over, I think we need to strong arm him into turning this place into a city. Just strong arm him.
Okay. Grab him when he comes here.
Go on, Charlie, make this place a city. Go on.
Thank you, lad. Yeah, please. Bless him.
Well, there you go. There's your answer. Right, just come off the one-way system because I spotted something that's caught my eye. Looks like a toll bridge. This looks lovely. This must be the 7, I think. Oh, that was lovely. Absolutely stunning. If I had more time here, I'd be walking up and down the banks. Absolutely gorgeous here. It really, really is. I do regret not spending more than 2 hours here though. Bit of a mistake on my part, but hey ho, I guess I'll have to come back. But on a weekday, because I strongly underestimated how busy it was going to be. Then again, it was a Saturday, so that should have been a clue. Right, Shrewsbury Market Hall. Let's see what this place is like. Tell you what, the aromas coming from these stalls, oh, absolutely gorgeous. God, there's lots here, isn't there? I suppose it's a good thing I'm not spending so much time here. My wallet will be empty in minutes. Got half an hour before the train, so I'm going to get some supplies and some food. Right, I'm heading down to the train station now. Got about 20 minutes left, and I need to work out which carriage I need to sit on because I only just realised the train splits in Machynlleth, so I need to sit in the right carriage, or else I'm going to be going to Aberystwyth. Not that that's a bad thing, it's just an inconvenience. Aberystwyth's nice. Platform 4A. Again, I need to make sure I'm on the right carriage, otherwise I'm screwed.
Machynlleth, Derby Junction, Penhelig, Aberdyfi, Tywyn, Tonfanau, Llwyn-Goril, Fairborn, Morfa-Mawddach, Barmouth, Llanaber, Talabont, Dyffryn Nodidwy, Llanbedr, Pensan, Llandanwg, Harlech, Teiglin, Talsarnau, Llandecwyn, Penrhyn-Deudraeth, Minforth, Porthmadog, Criccieth, Penarchain, Aberech, and Pwllheli. Travel in the front two coaches. O Street.
I think the Welsh pronunciation of the Tannoy leaves a lot to be desired, but
of the train.
I believe this is my train.
For the 15:30 Transport for Wales service to Pwllheli and Aberystwyth. When boarding the train,
right, let's get on the train. I want to get a good seat. I think I'm on the right carriage. It was a bit confusing because the conductor and what the tannoy was saying was they were contradicting each other, so I think I'm on the right carriage. Okay, we're on the move, but I've got a feeling I'm on the wrong carriage, but time will tell. I'll wait for the conductor to check my ticket.
Unfortunately, due to no toilets being available on the rear two carriages will be terminating at Machynlleth. Any passengers travelling to Pwllheli will need to alight the train at Machynlleth and join another train.
Not sure if you caught that, but I am on the right carriage, but this train will be terminating at Machynlleth because the toilets don't work. So there'll be another train. I don't know how long I'm going to be in Machynlleth for, but on the train. Bad news, look how dirty the windows are. barely see out of there. And the windows on the other side look immaculate by comparison. Sorted out Transport for Wales. And 10 hours later, back to where I started. Tell you what, that was an awesome day. The only regret is that I didn't spend as long as I wanted to in Shrewsbury. 2 hours was not enough at all. So I need to go back there, maybe do a separate video, I don't know. Spend a lot longer there, and maybe even stay the night like I said earlier. So whilst I enjoyed the journey, I'd definitely do it again, but not yet. It's not a journey that you would do often, really. Maybe once in a blue moon, but it's certainly an adventure worth having, most definitely. I mean, in some ways you can compare it, well, some of it, to the West Highland Line. It's not as scenic as the West Highland Line, but I think it's awesome anyway. So let me know if you want me to do more train journeys, because I really do enjoy doing them and making a load of videos for you. I'm going to look into doing the Heart of Wales line, and there's a train line in England that runs from Carlisle to Leeds, which looks really nice. So let me know if you want me to do that. So yeah, safe to say I've been really lucky today, especially with the weather. It's treated me very nicely today. So I'm going to sign off here. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.